Good morning everyone. Today we the student of class 10B are presenting a role play on the topic tea. So the characters of the story are Parth is shop owner, me as a foreigner and narrator, Mridunjay is tea planter, Jayant is factory owner, Anubhav is villager, Kushagra is a physician. Scene 1. Foreigner was looking for a restaurant and he meets a villager. Hello mister.
Yes, what happened? How can I help you?
Yes, I am looking for a restaurant. Is there any nearby?
Yeah, sure, there is one at the end of this road.
And what about a food corner? Is there any nearby?
Yes, if you want, I can take you to there.
Yes, let's go. Scene 2. Foreigner and the villager at the shop.
What's your order, sir? Bring tea here. Here's your order, sir.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your journey. Now I have to go.
Wow, what is this?
This is the famous beverage of India, sir. It's also called tea or chai.
Can I have some more?
Currently, I don't have it. You can get it from the nearby tea store.
Okay, thank you. Scene 3. At the factory talking to the factory owner.
Sir, how can I help you?
I want some tea packets for me so that I can enjoy it at my place also.
Okay, sir. Sir, wait a second. Sir, your packets are ready and you can collect it from there. Sir, there. Yes. Sir, anything else?
Can you tell me more about tea?
Sir, actually our factory is the biggest factory for tea in Assam. And sir, after we get the tea leaves from the farms, we mainly have 4 major processes for making the tea. So the first process is withering. Sir, as you can see there, sir, for withering, we simply remove the 80% of the unnecessary moisture from the tea leaves, as sir, it is very important for making the tea. And sir, after the withering process, after the removal of the unnecessary moisture, we crush all the tea leaves in the roller. Sir, as you can see there, the fermentation through the shifter, it goes to the drying area. So where it dry, removes the remaining moisture. Goes to the packing area where it packs and and that's the end for the process of tea. And sir, if you want to know more about the harvesting, so sir, you can visit the tea planter also.
Yeah, sure. Scene 4. Foreigner talking to the tea planter. Hello farmer. Can you tell me how you people harvest these tea leaves?
After we plant seed in humus-rich soil, we provide good irrigation to tea plant, as water is very important for tea cultivation. Then, we provide fertilizers and pesticides to the plant, and after some period of time, we take off good quality leaves that are soft leaves by simple hand plucking method, or sometimes use machines for purpose, and after wait, we send it to the factories.
Thank you for such a good information. Scene 5. Mr. Singh is a physician. He is having a cup of tea while walking in his lawn. Suddenly, Mr. Smith, his new neighbor, meets him. The event follows as...
Hello, Mr. Smith.
Oh, hi Mr. Singh. What about you?
Well, I'm fine. Just having a cup of tea. Would you like to join me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, have a seat.
You are a physician, so why don't you avoid this beverage? It's quite harmful.
I know, my friend, but it isn't harmful to drink tea once or twice in a day. In fact, it is a good tranquilizer as it contains caffeine, and also it is one of the best instant remedies for cough and cold, which gives a soothing relief.
Yes, you're right, but doctor, these days there are many rumors in air regarding tea. Do you think those are correct?
I don't know much about those humors, but some disadvantages don't deny the fact that tea has many advantages.
That's right, doctor.